Welcome to YOUCANIC. In this video we're going to go over the steps on how to remove and replace the steering wheel on a Mercedes-Benz. Here we have a 2017 GLA250. The procedure can also apply to other models. So let's go through the steps. The first thing you're going to need to do is drive the vehicle, park it on level ground, and bring the steering wheel straight and on center, so you can see here. And then next you want to go and open the hood, or in some cases it might be the trunk, or disconnect that battery. You need to disconnect the negative, and before you can start working on the airbag system you need to wait 5 minutes. We also recommend that press this horn a couple of times. That discharges any current that might be on the electrical system. You want to be extremely careful when handling airbags because they can deploy while you're working with them and cause injuries and even death. So what you want to do though, after you've waited long enough, you're going to come here, and on the sides right here on these sides, you come through the sides, there's 2 indents. Now if the airbag has never been removed, it's going to be just an indent, but if they have been removed, there's going to be a hole right on the side here. We have another video that shows you in more detail, but what you go here, you come here and then you puncture. If the airbag has never been removed, you puncture that hole there, and then you come here and release the airbag on this side, and you come on this side and you press this, and again you're gonna make the hole where the indent is, and that will release your airbag. So airbag is released, you handle the airbag carefully, you turn it here, and then you can see if you need to replace the airbag, what you do is you pop up the center piece right here and that one, and then you can disconnect the connectors. Now if you need to reuse the airbag, you can also disconnect it right here if you like, and then put this somewhere safe. Now the next step is we need to remove the center bolt on the steering column, and for that you need a 10mm hex bolt or hex socket. So you place that there, and then you have somebody counter hold the steering wheel while you break that loose. Okay, it's on really tight. So go ahead and remove that. Now, before you remove the steering wheel, what I strongly recommend doing is getting a Sharpie and then marking the steering column and on the steering wheel. Make a line. I like to do it at, in this case I'm going to do it here at 6. Okay, and I'm going to do it at 3. So when I put the steering wheel back, I don't want to change that position there, because what will happen is that then now you'll be driving down the road and then the steering wheel is going to be off center. So, but I have marked that. Let's go ahead here, disconnect this connector as well. Alright, so we have these clips here that you got to press down and up to remove that, and then you can easily move the steering wheel like so. And that's it. Now you want to reinstall that in reverse order. You want to make sure you torque that bolt to spec, and also you can use a little bit of thread locker on that bolt, because if that gets loose while driving there, the steering wheel can come off, and that can be extremely dangerous. So keep that in mind, and make sure you torque it to spec. And that's all. Thank you for watching.